Hi friends and family, and welcome back to the Life Family Vlogs. Today we are going on a beach day, so come along, let's have fun. We're taking two cars, my car, and then I asked the other car to vlog, so hopefully they do. And yeah, let's have fun.
Okay then, I'll
You ever slice it? Go! Huh?
Oh my dad. Is that a ranch? No, was that ranch? That wasn't ranch.
Ready? Oh, you're gonna hold it for me? You mean you want to grab another side? What a way to introduce you to my demons. Baby, would you love me?
It's gonna cover everyone. We were here before.
I love her. Never gets to the end of your day.
Where?
He got for himself. I thought he was gonna get you the combo, even though you said nothing but combo. Okay. Get him the one with just.
Onion, by the way.
Here. This is.
You should have said so.
The ranch? And are you bird? We're having a fun time.
Oh, I tasted with like
Asian restaurant.
Thai recipe. Tokyo sushi. Tell me. Yeah. Like that. Ready?
Hold up.
Dude, give a hard one, bro. You have the hiking
Dude, I'm really
Whales,
on the spot.
whales.
Just play 5 seconds. I suck. Oh yeah, we did win.
hippos.
Okay.
Imagine, right?
Yeah.
pass me a towel.
Hat. She's not ready.
What?
Pass me a towel.
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 Vinny!
Towel.
Why are you just staring?
Look back.
Ready?
Yeah.
I forgot what I was going to say.
can you pass me the watermelon?
I'm ready. Ready? Don't come down. 3, 2, muscle groups.
Bicep.
Oh,
Time.
Quadricep!
Quads.
Hams.
Calves.
What is
I know.
this called?
Tell me the beans.
You already said bicep.
Oh, did I?
Genius. Total major. It's called the
Okay, Vinny, ready? Someone coming down. Lock yourself in.
Hey, you got this. You got this. Come on. Cut down. We're ready. We're ready. Come on.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Shades of blue.
Dark blue, white blue, sky blue.
I just started time.
That was it.
That was
quick. That was quick. That was mad quick. Dark blue, baby blue, sky blue.
What is this?
She won't be chasing the clout. I'm watching them out. Sucking my money. What do you mean, baby? Don't come for me. Ay, I'm reaching levels. She leeching like bezels. My pockets be looking like green. Ay, left, right, techie. You know she ain't on my team. I'm sitting in these rhymes. Don't leave me a dime. I'm killing this beat. Now get on your knees. I'm pulling like 5 others. So if you don't like me, then bye. She playing musical chairs, running up like stairs. We don't care. She do what she want, what she need, and what she dares. She gon' lie, stupid smile, she gon' steal, she gon' take, she gon' ride for the cash, for the fame, for the racks. Super size, super trash, no class, so much sass. You gon' leave, she gon' find her a new sack. I wanted more, I let her out the door. She plucking strings, make me wanna drop it. Got the propane like I'm about to light it. Look for more things like I was a psychic, but it's too fast, call it supersonic. Now I'm up now, cop the shirt with the snakes on a humble, but Tiger told me that you have a taste of it. I was born like this. I know, she go, but she don't want me, so I need her.
Yeah, I saw her way in the back since 04. Ran to be searching the bag, trying to make the racks, counting up the stacks. You know we gotta hop on and off the track. Look out, yeah, she be coming for yours. Run the core, Papa know she want more than chores. Brother, she gon' hurt you in and out the store. Brody, just be cautious. Feeling like kamikaze, man, so nauseous. You so exhausted, feeling unconscious. Mama told you Raina won't even try to kick it. You make her feelings and found you a simp. And you should be with the bro chillin' and pimpin'. Man, you don't listen, yeah. I know, she go, but she don't want me, so I need her. First hit on the line, 91 Nova, thank fam, it was written. Eyes so wide, we in that tunnel, but we ain't Kodak, we got that prism vision. Cut us open like a circumcision, messing with Ouija like a superstition. But they just bored, we just roared, thank the Lord, we got that true religion.
Away, my Steve.